Let's see the difference between two metrics: generation modes, raw skills, and mapped skills. First, we set up the metric generation parameters. Let's start by generating without skill mapping. The result? Unconsolidated skills, scattered and hard to read. Not ideal when you need a quick, clear overview. Now, let's generate the same metrics with skill mapping enabled. The difference is immediate. Skills are grouped, clean, and easy to analyze. Perfect for quickly assessing a team member's performance. It's as simple as that. For more details, visit our FAQ at knack3.com